my dear YouTubers, and welcome to this new video. A number of people, a number of my subscribers have been asking how I set my flaps to go down in increments. So I'll pull the lever down slightly, and as you can see on the screen, it does it in increments rather than one big leap. And this is with Flight Simulator 2020, of course. I'm in the 747 default aircraft, and the air brake as well, it will go down in increments rather than one big leap. And that's deployed fully. So there you go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump on the computer and show you how to set this in Flight Simulator 2020. Okay, so to set your flaps and speed brake, you want to press escape and go into options. You can do it in flight or on the main menu. Just go into the options, go to controls, and you want to ensure that you're on your flight yacht system or your controller system, whatever you're using. I'm obviously using the Logitech flight yacht system, so I've selected that. You want to go to filter, move that to all, and from there flaps and speed brakes are in the flight control services, so just click on that, click on secondary control services, and as you can see you've got flaps axis and spoiler axis at the top. These are the ones that you want to assign. These are the ones that you want to assign your levers to. So first we'll do flaps. I'll click in it. Search for input. I'll click in that. And I'm going to use my right hand lever. That's where my flap control is. So I'm just going to move that down physically on my controller. And that will give you the axis. Validate that. And an important step to do here is reverse the axis. I'll show you why in a moment. Click on reverse there. Same for spoilers, so click on spoilers, search by input, click in the box. I'm going to use my left hand lever, which is set up for my speed brake. Just going to move it down and click validate. And again I'm going to click that reverse axis. Click on that. Remember to apply and save, and then go back, and then go back into your game. And now my axis are set correctly. As you can see, it's moving in increments, and it's moving as it would on my controller as it would in game. They're set up correctly. I'll show you this on an external view. So there you go, that's how you set it to go down in increments. By the way, I just wanted to show you something here. If I go to options there and go to controls, if I didn't reverse my, let's just get on the flight yacht system. If I didn't reverse my axis there, I'll show you what's happened. So I'm going to tick off reverse. So I'm going to unreverse it, just put it back to standard. Apply and save. And go back. And resume. Now if I just move that slightly, you can see the flaps are fully deployed now. So basically it reverses this. So it was still going in increments, but rather than this being up there, as it is on screen, it's now, if you push it up, it's going to go down in increments. See if I can get this in on the shot. If you see what I mean. And that can be quite confusing when you're flying the aircraft. So I'm actually deploying the flaps by pushing it up rather than pushing it down as you would find on the 747 aircraft. So again, to fix that, just do what I showed you before. Just go to controls. Let it load in, thank you. Flight control services, secondary controls, and reverse those axes. Apply and save. Go back. So if you just had it on reverse, so now if I just move that slightly, now you can see it's in the correct
configuration. So if I push up, it's going to retract the flaps, as you would find on a 747 aircraft. If I push down, it's going to deploy the flaps. So your controls are set up like the actual aircraft. The same for the speed brake, of course, that still works. So there you go. Don't forget to leave a like if you like the video, leave your comments below, and subscribe for more. I'll be seeing you soon.